welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, well, a haul video that is. So your girl had to check out Temu. We had to see what all the ruckus about. Honestly, I've been knew about Temu whatever before the hype, but we're not going to get into it now. Like, it's crazy, y'all. The prices are crazy cheap. The prices are better than AliExpress. The prices are better than better than AliExpress, better than Shein, better than Blushmark, better than what's the runway, whatever it is, runway, whatever, however you pronounce it, Shein, whatever. The prices are way better over there, and I feel like the stuff they give is like better quality, and also the shipping times are faster. Like AliExpress, you order something over there, like you won't get that until like 1 or 2 months later, and you got to pay for shipping. They always having a sale. They always giving you money back. They're always giving you coupons. They're always giving you money to your order anything off. If your order is late, if your order is delayed, they give you extra $5 for each order. Like, it's great. They give you a chance to make a lot of money back over there to keep spending and spending and spending. And that is my problem, y'all. I've been spending and spending, spending, spending. I got some more stuff for a part 2, and I feel like part 2 will be more fire. But this one is like a mini. Like, I just ordered this stuff. I really ordered this stuff like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and then like I just got a whole bunch of random stuff that I really wouldn't never get. So we're gonna unbox this stuff, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. None of the stuff is my style, so hopefully I like all the stuff. Hopefully I won't have to give the stuff away. Most of the stuff was cheap. This whole order was kind of free-ish. So like, if you want some free stuff, you want $50 off, you want $100 credit, anything like that, check the description box below. Y'all know I got the links for the credits for the money off. You want money off your order, 15%, $15. You want a chance to win $100 as well. Check that description box below. So this is the box. I actually have some more stuff to come in here that is not personal related, so I had to take that stuff out of there. Okay, so I really just got a little bit of stuff. Y'all. I ain't even really get too much, but I'm still gonna do this video. I got about a handful of items. I'm gonna unbox them, really show y'all the quality of the stuff, so y'all know. If y'all like anything, I will. If you want the link, let me know. DM me on Instagram at odeskales. Also follow my socials. It will be in the description box below if it's not on the screen. Okay, period. So I'm gonna open, I think I'm going to do smallest things first. Okay, so I feel like the smallest things in here is the nails. So I have been, ooh, child, I done dropped the whole box. 1 moment. So y'all, I have really been into like press on nails because I have not been getting my nails done or whatever. My self-care has been like really low because I've been like extremely busy. Like, I don't have no time for myself. So I do press ons, and then plus I be doing my own hair now, so I cannot do nails for real. So press ons is like my go-to. I normally go to Amazon for all my press on nails. Y'all see I got some press on nails now. These are the matte black ones. If y'all want these, let your girl know as well. I will be building an Amazon storefront for all the Amazon items I'm going to be featuring throughout my channel as well. I am going to be doing another DH Gate haul and all that good stuff. I'm rambling. Okay, cool. But yeah, so I normally get my nails and stuff from Amazon, but y'all know it's a little pricey over there from little cheap little flimsy nails. $8.99, $9.99 for some cheap little flimsy nails? No. So I got these off Temu, period, for I believe they were like $1 or $2. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if we can zoom here in. Let's see if we can get it. So I don't know if you guys see it or whatever, but this is the design of the nails. It is like basically like purple, like, I don't even know what that's called. It's not French tip, it's something like that, with the little rhinestones and the little butterflies on there. These are really, really cute. And I got another pair. It's like a pink with the French tips with the little hearts and stuff like that, and a glitter nail. I'm trying to focus. Okay, there we go. I see, you guys can see it, period. So these are really, really cute. I really thought that the pink was going to be a little darker than that, but it's okay. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do the rest of the small stuff, and then we're gonna get into the semi-big stuff or whatever. This video is gonna be fairly short, and I'm just gonna fill y'all with information while I'm doing this video, okay? So next, your girl loves some lashes, period. I used to buy my lashes on Amazon as well. I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. Y'all see me in my other videos with my wispy lashes. They look like individual lashes without having to pay the 90, 120, 150-ish volume lash price, okay? No, we're not doing that. We're on a budget, period. No ifs, ands, or buts, okay? So this lash pack right here, I decided to try to get more lashes so I can get more for my money instead of like getting individual pairs. I get lash books all the time as well. It's normally like 6 to 8 pair. This is what, how many pair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair right here. And I believe this was like $2 $2 to $4 or something like that. It was cheaper than the ones on Amazon. The one on Amazon are, you know, $8.99, $9.99, $10.99 and stuff like that, and on up 99, okay, period. What's next? So I've been meaning to get one of these. I really have been wanting one of these since I have been like starting to do like my eyebrows a little more and stuff like that. I do want to get into makeup low key, but this is for like when I do my brows and I put my lashes on or whatever. So I'm gonna unbox it or whatever. This is something that I can unbox without it falling everywhere. Oh, it comes with a little brush as well. Oh my gosh, y'all, this was like $1, literally. This is like literally like $1 or some change. This is like, you know what I'm saying, it goes over your head to push your hair back. I've really been wanting one of these for like the longest. And it also comes with this like little face brush and mask applicator as well. I did not know it came with that. That is great for the price. For that price, I know I say period a lot because just period, like, and what about it? Nothing. Like I said. Okay, so next, I know what this is. So this is this little mirror. It actually came a little late. I was a little impatient. I did go head on, mosey on down to Five and Below and got me a little mirror for my desk. This one is a little too small anyway. I might start like putting stuff in the car or whatever. Y'all know I love blue, so I did have to get a blue mirror. I had to get a blue mirror. So basically it's a little kickstand mirror. It was, you know, on the cheap side. It was like $1, $2, yeah, but it's really compact, really simple. You can put it in your big purse if you want to. I really like it. Like, I'm gonna start doing a blue series as well. Y'all know how I always see somebody doing pink, 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 pink. Nobody's never doing blue, and I got y'all because I love blue. Like, if you know me, you know I love blue. Yeah. So what's next? This one is in an individual package, so we're gonna attempt to open this one without breaking a nail. Well, I can't break them. Pop them off. Popping. Ooh. Oh, hold on. I don't like how it is just. Hold up. It was all crushed up. The box all crushed. I couldn't even show y'all what it was. This was a mist sprayer. Y'all, I want to get into my skin real bad. Y'all see me. Y'all see that I'm losing weight. Like, I'm trying to get my skin together. I'm trying to get my body together, y'all. Y'all see these bags, they gotta go. You know what I'm saying? The bags gotta go. The dark circles, they gotta go. The dark spots too, they gotta go. The bumps, they gotta go. I got this little mister. I wish don't pay attention to that, y'all. We having a little bad hair day. If y'all caught that, just keep it on a little hush, okay, period. So I bought this little mister. It's like a little face mister. You just mist it. You filled up with, ooh, it lights up too. You just put water in there and then just mist all over your face. Press the button and just mist. I want to get into skincare. I want to feel like I'm pampered. So okay, cool. So I got this, and it also comes with a little charger if y'all want to see a close-up of the little gadget. This is how it's looking. This is how your girl looking. I wish it was in blue, but y'all know had to get what I could get. It actually matches this right here. And I'm not a pink girl. I'm not hating. Chill out. Relax. I'm not hating. Y'all know how the girls love to come for me. They love to come for me. They came for me so hard last week on TikTok, y'all. Yeah. I stopped posting for a minute because I'm like, bro, I am taking a break. I'm tired of y'all. I'm finna focus on what really matters. YouTube, that's really paying some coins. Like, huh? Y'all have the nerve to have an opinion and paying 2 cents? Anyway, so I got these 2 beanies. Yeah. Baby girl. I thought this was actually cute. I really don't have no hats. This one say baby girl too. Y'all know I'm coming out with my own beanies. So I'm gonna be repping them. I'm gonna be repping all my merch in every video. Like, I'm gonna promote the hell out of my shit. period. That's just on period. But I got these because they were just simple and cute. And I also got some, socks to match the black hat, and it's just gonna be like fire if I put a fit together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a video also of my unboxing of my first samples of my rough draft phase. I released some clothes. If you guys want to go check it out, we have graphic tees, we have hoodies, we have crop tops, we have trucker hats as well, we have beanies as well. Also, y'all, I'm going to be unboxing my samples for my beanies as well with you guys. I'm going to be unboxing my clothes with you guys, my first sample of clothes. Of course, I'm going to get better and better and better with my design and stuff like that. I just love the process. Like, I'm starting to love it. Make sure you guys follow us at Paid Girl Clothing on Instagram and on TikTok as well, paidgirlclothing.com. If you guys want to shop, it will be in the description box below as well. Shop KE accessories as well. Don't forget about my main money maker. Yeah, just because we talk about Paid Girl, don't forget about K accessories. Yeah, we just dropped a whole bunch of cases. If you guys want to go check that out, it will be in the description box below as well. Everything in the description. Little bit, yeah. We got 4 more things. I ain't trying to make this video too long on y'all. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the one that I don't like. I already see it through the paper, and I don't like it. All right, let's see. I thought this was gonna be cute. I was just boasting you, girl. I was like, yeah, I'm finna get this little purse, and it's finna be cute. It's finna be different. Yeah, no, the white is kind of like creamish. It ain't popping. It's not popping like the shoestring. How you gonna have a shoestring and the bag different colors? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Okay, so it came with this little strap or whatever. I ain't gonna be, you know, it's Temu. It was like $5. I ain't gonna complain too much, you know. This is a little cute little bag. I might get this to my son. It looks like a, I don't know if it looks boyish. I don't know if it looks girlish, but it's definitely not giving me, you know. So this is what I got. It's like a little shoestring purse. If you like it, I love it, y'all. Y'all want the links, let me know. It's like a little purse, you know what I'm saying? Just like for a day at the park or something. Yeah, if you do that. Is this little simple little plain purse. Like, I need more simple purses. Like, I need more smaller, simple purses. Like, I got rid of all my small, like, just, you know what I'm saying? Just casual purses. I don't need all that extra ass, you know, stuff when I go out, you know. So, hold up, I don't like this one either. Why every time I order some purses I don't ever like it? I order some more purses, y'all, and I hope I like them. Or if I don't like them, I'm sending them back, you know what I'm saying? But it was, I didn't even have to, it's like a real life promotion, but still I don't like it. If somebody want it, let me know. The first one and this one. But yeah, so this is like a little, I thought this was gonna be cute, but it ain't giving. It ain't giving. I don't even want to talk about it, but y'all see her. Y'all see her. It's giving auntie. It's giving Y2K vibes. They got a lot of Y2K stuff on there. If you're that girl, you could probably do this. You could probably make her shine. But me, my stuff already got to shine. I can't make nothing pop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not there yet, and like, you know what I'm saying, my fashion sense yet. I do got some fits coming. I do got some fits coming. I'm gonna show you guys too with my outfits, my hauls, all that stuff. Y'all, enough. Last 2 items. Okay, let's see which one I want to do first. I'm gonna do this one first, because I've been wanting to talk about this one. I've been waiting on this one. Hold on now. Let's be for real. Oh, why does it look like this? Mood. I thought it was okay. Let me give it 2 seconds. Hold up. I thought this was gonna be my new spin a night bag. Hold up. Hold up. Yo, I'm trying to adjust it really quickly, like on video. Like, do I have to goddamn come back with it? Because it's real hard. It's real hard. It's real hard. It's stiff. Oh, it sounds like sandpapers. I mean, it probably look better filled up. Let's get into the inside. It's okay. It's okay. It's actually okay. It's actually okay. Because I'm thinking about it. It's flat. Ain't nothing in here. It needs to be filled up. When my stuff in here, it's going to look better than this. Like, when my stuff in here, it's going to look better than this. So, this is basically like my new spinning light bag. I needed something like a little simple. It say mood. It's like a little simple bag. I didn't want nothing that's going to look real dirty real fast. It already looked dingy looking, so I like that. You know what I'm saying? And it got a lot of space in here. It has like one pocket. or whatever, and it does have a zipper. So I might give this a 7 out of 10. So last but not least, this is one of the unique purses that I ordered. I have some more coming. I'm going to start like really like making like wearing statement pieces as well, like the more I get into fashion and stuff. So I really like this right here. I know you guys probably seen it before. I don't know if you guys have, but I really like this. I do not have any red purses. This is my first red official, all red, not black and then with the like the red, you know, but it's my first official red purse. So it's like a casket. It gives casket vibes. It gives coffin vibes. Yeah, so it comes with all that. Yeah, it comes with a strap as well. Let's strap her up. Y'all know how I'm coming about these looks that I'm gonna put together. Like I already got a lot of stuff on the way. Like my outfit's gonna be insane. Like I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready one day. Get ready with me. That's what we're gonna do. Get ready with me, like to take pictures and go on a date or something. So this is how it looks. I know this is not all the way stretched out, but it's like I feel like this is the best quality out of all of them. Like it's very sturdy, and this actually cost the most out of all of them, I think. And this one in the move bag, so these were like $6-7, but it's still cheap, baby. Anything under $10 is right up my alley. Bougie on a budget. What I tell you guys, check that description box below. If you guys want the links, let me know. Leave a comment below to tell me to add them, because I'm not just gonna add them because I'm really not popping it like that. If y'all seen some y'all like, then let me know. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. Tell me guys what you think about this little haul. It's a little mini haul. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing for 1,000. The next one, I promise, is gonna be boasted for real. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.